Hey y'all, Southern Scratching here. So I wanted to show you one of the good things and bad things about shorts. Um, so I'm at 940 subscribers, so I'm getting about 30 to 40 a day, so I'll be at 1K this week. That shows plus 929 lifetime because, I went through the whole crazy YouTube thing where I was losing 15 or 20 from a day from when people were dropping links in rooms, and then YouTube would take those away, and it was crazy. So these are my watch time hours that I've really had, and then those are my views. If you look up here, you see that right there. Might be able to see it better right there. That hours watched 2.9K. That is the actual watch time hours that I am getting credit for towards monetization. Sorry, I'm shaking, guys. So here's the thing about shorts. Views on shorts do count towards watch hours if they are watched from your homepage or from your playlist. If they are viewed on your short shelf, or from the short shelf, not your short shelf, if they're viewed from the short shelf, then they do not count towards watch hours. And it's based on advertising. That's, totally what it's based on. They're not putting any advertising on videos on the short shelf. So you're not getting watch time hours for those. So you can see, like, in the last 60 minutes, I've had, 1.1K views. Last 48 hours, I've had 37.2K views. Last 7 days, almost 85,000 views. Last 7 days, almost 73,000 minutes watched. So, and that was, but some of those are the live, some of those are other videos. A lot of those are video or shorts that blew up. So shorts are great for getting subscribers. And if a subscriber goes and, I've been putting my do not put end screens in your shorts. That's the other thing, because that end screen pops up too far or too soon in the video, and it takes up like the whole video. So do not put end cards in there or end screens. You can put the little the card up there because it's just the dot up in the top. So I use that, and I put a link to my short playlist, because if they go click on that, then I'm getting credit for the watch time for it. So, just a little hint there. So, this is the positive and the negative about subscribers. If I change this to, let's see, those are my subscribers in the last 7 days. See, 7 days. 100 of those did come from Detroit Scratchers. 200 of those, and that was Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I had, I think it was 640, something like that. And they got me to 730 was the ending number, was what I ended up with in there. And then I'm at 940 now. So I've gotten another 210 since then from shorts. So that's the positive. But what you have to do from there is have content and have stuff going on that's going to pull people in and keep them coming back to you. So the shorts are awesome for getting people. You just have to have something in that short. I've got my little thing at the bottom, join us every Saturday PM for live, or you've got to have that personality to get them to come back. I mean, something. There's got to be some pull to bring them back to you, or get them to watch, go watch more of your shorts and draw them in more or something. So there is the good and the bad of shorts. Love you all. Bye.